Faucet water filter replacement. Enjoy refreshing, filtered water by replacing your PUR Faucet mount water filter. RF 3375 water filter is certified to reduce lead other contaminants. Fits in all PUR Faucet water filtration systems. Packaging may vary. Reduces 70 contaminants. This PUR Faucet mount water filter is certified to reduce lead and other contaminants that could be in your drinking water. PUR Faucet filters are certified to reduce 10x more contaminants than Brita's leading pitcher filter. Easy to install. Twist the back cover off your PUR Faucet water filtration system. Insert new filter and replace the back cover. One PUR Faucet filter replacement provides up to 100 gallons of cleaner drinking water or lasts up to 3 months. Compatible does not mean comparable. Be cautious of off-brand filters. They are not tested or certified to filter the same as PUR filters. PUR filters are the only filters certified to reduce contaminants when used with PUR systems. Number 1 selling brand in faucet filtration. Contaminants can enter your water system daily, so filtering your water is important. PUR has been developing innovative technologies for superior water filtration for over 30 years. Top reviews from the United States. They work great. We've used them for years. They need replacing roughly monthly and are easy to replace.